Is your BMW 3 Series struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps or music? Statistically, 80% of persistent connectivity issues are solved through software resets rather than expensive hardware repairs. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your system back online. Start by toggling your Bluetooth, confirming your Wi-Fi is active, and performing a full repairing of your device. Check these 4 common software culprits, especially ensuring your iPhone is running the latest iOS update. If software tweaks fail, inspect your physical connections, including the USB port and the integrity of your charging cable. Try a hard iDrive reset yourself before booking a visit to the dealer for potential firmware reflashing. As you can see, the cost ramps up significantly if you require professional dealer coding or component replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, force a system reboot by holding the volume knob and scan for hidden communication errors. Keep a high-quality cable and a basic OBDI tool in your glove box to handle these issues on the fly. Always remember that the simplest solution is usually the right one, so reboot everything before tearing your dashboard apart. If these steps fixed your connection, hit subscribe for more BMW maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides.